Thank you for watching this video from Hexagon Geospatial on exploitation with Google Earth. Let's get to know how to perform a live link between Imagine and Google Earth. For this, few prerequisite steps are to be followed to show up the related options in a tab. Ensure that Google Earth is installed in the machine. Launch the Customize ribbon dialog. Copy the Google Earth folder and paste it in the custom type of tabs. Google Earth tab along with the corresponding options show up. Now let us see how the Google Earth options can be used. Launch Google Earth and keep it open. Click on the Connect to Google Earth option to link the Imagine 2D viewer with Google Earth. Once this is done, the options within the Google Earth tab are enabled. To drive to the same location in Google Earth as an Imagine 2D view, select Drive to Location option. Match the Imagine 2D view with Google Earth by clicking on Match View to GE. Now let us do the other way round. Let us zoom into a location of an airport where an annotation layer is displayed on top of a raster. Now clicking on Match GE to View matches the Google Earth view to Imagine 2D view. Select the option Link GE to View and Sync GE to View. This ensures Google Earth displays the same area as zoom and pan operation is performed in the Imagine 2D view. The view extents in the Imagine 2D viewer can be exported as footprints into Google Earth using the Export View Footprints option. In Google Earth, visualize the footprint created with the same name of the image displayed in the Imagine 2D viewer. In similar way, annotation layer is also exported into Google Earth. Thank you for watching this video from Hexagon Geospatial.